The NDR, or Network Detection and Response, is a solution to analyze network packet traffic or traffic flows in real time. Gatewatcher's NDR monitors and analyzes north-south traffic as it crosses the perimeter, as well as east-west traffic as it moves laterally through the network. The north-south flows are really what we call internet access, and the east-west flows are what we call the data center flows, the network core and all the information flows that go through the central office. Network analysis consists of the massive capture of all the network traffic of an IT in order to model behaviors and uses, and thus be able to generate alerts associated with risks according to the level of suspicion. Our NDR consists of a multi-vector analysis of all north-south or east-west flows. Beyond traffic modeling, it offers behavioral techniques such as machine learning or advanced analysis that detect network anomalies. It also allows individual alerts to be aggregated into structured incidents to facilitate threat investigation. It drastically reduces the mean time to detect, MTTD, and mean time to respond, MTTR, thus reducing analyst fatigue. Moreover, unlike endpoint detection, the NDR cannot be fooled because the attacker has no way of falsifying the elements circulating on the network. Finally, attacks using encrypted channels are perfectly detectable thanks to machine learning algorithms. For example, everything related to beaconing. Gatewatcher's approach to NDR is unique for many reasons. The first reason is that we have a multi-vector approach with many engines. Each threat is confronted with several engines for a more efficient approach. Our approach is also unique because of what we call the risk-based approach to users and assets, which means that we will give the SOC the ability to assess where it should focus its energy. The NDR will enable them to say, I have users and assets, what should I prioritize? This is what is known as the 0 days deduction. I insist on the deduction mode because we assume that detecting 0 days is meaningless. On the other hand, we have a technology that enables us to understand that there are anomalies, that there are things that are suspicious, and then we can deduce that it is potentially a 0 day. This is a completely unique capacity. On our products, we have what we call mapping. Mapping means linking users, assets, and alerts. And understanding, for example, when it's a ransomware, how it spreads, finding patient zero. And so being able to act directly, very quickly. And the last thing that I think is also unique is this ability that we have since the beginning to say we can do north-south and east-west. Unfortunately, NDR's projects often focus solely on the east-west. It is absolutely necessary to do both, and Gatewatcher is the only project that really has this capacity because we are in the multi-vector, multi-motor business, and we have the capacity to do both.